Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, it feels good to be posting again. It feels good to be pretty again. So yeah, you guys, I have a full face beat because today's video, as you saw by today's thumbnail, is very, based on just one product today, which I'm really excited to use. I got it in the mail not too long ago, and now that I'm able to film it, it's really exciting. I am super excited. That's why I decided to go ahead and do a glam today, do it before I started filming this, because it's really based on this product. Okay, so if you guys want to see my little review on this kit, continue on watching. Okay guys, so I look pale as shit, especially my lips. So you guys, the package that the product that we're going to be using today. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box, but I'm gonna show you guys the box. Boom. If you guys could guess, it's from Dose of Colors. I have actually used Dose of Colors. I only have like one lipstick of Dose of Colors, and it is right here in the shade Nude Mood. I used it in some of my couple of videos, but today is really exciting because this is a collab with a person I've been watching on YouTube for quite some time now. And when I saw this come, I was like, holy shit, this is something I have to get. Well, I didn't get it. My boyfriend got it for me as a surprise because he wants me to go ahead and review it and speak my thoughts on this product, you guys. So like I said, I have used Dose of Colors lipstick before, just practically one, but I really never used this specific color. Well, the person I am talking about is Shyla. If you guys don't know who she is, she has her and her boyfriend, I don't know if I should call them husband or whatever, baby daddy, I don't know, but they have their separate, they have their own channel. They just film about about their life and what goes on in their life. And and I did see a while back that she did post that there was something special coming out, but I wasn't pretty much sure, and this literally came out I think last month. So yeah, I was really excited to be using this, not only because it was her, not only because it's Shyla, but because it has to do with makeup. And obviously, like, I like to buy a couple of products that are new and then give my thoughts to it. But yeah, like I said, that I have used these colors before. I only have, like I said, I only have one color and I have used it, and I did really love it. So I think it comes, there's 3 products in here. So this is the box. It says Shyla. Love it. In here we have some stickers. How cute is this? That we have here. There she is. This is the one I'm talking about. This is her, and in the back it has the 3 products that are inside the box, and the packaging is so cute, light pink, very beautiful. I love it. It's so cute. So this is the inside of la caja. So here we have a lip gloss, lip liner, and I think this was like a velvet mousse. So these are the 3 items that are in there. Why I'm super excited to use these. So I'm gonna take out all 3, and maybe I'm just gonna show you guys first how it looks like first with the matte, and then with the gloss afterwards. We're gonna apply the gloss afterwards, so you know what's up. Okay. And before I even start messing with these things, inside, this is inside the box. So the inside of the box is pretty cute little clouds, and it says on there, hope you enjoy, with love, Shyla. Okay, you guys, so all right, you guys, so let's go ahead and do this. So we're gonna go in with the lip liner, and it says Shyla lip liner. So let me like go ahead and like clean a little bit of my lips. Okay. And I have become that type of person that I would outline the shit out of my lips just to, you know, make them look a little bigger. Yeah, because we can't afford lip injections over here. Hello. Alright guys, so I outlined my lips and I'm just coloring in just a little bit. That's really good shit right there. Feels so soft. You know, it applied really good and whatever, not too dry, it was creamy. And this. So we're gonna go in with the Velvet Mousse, and this is in the color Shyla. Here we go. Exactly how it said, Velvet Mousse. It feels just like so soft, easy to apply, beautiful color. This color is perfect, especially that the holidays are coming up. Perfect. So you guys, this is the look with just the lip liner and the Shyla Velvet Mousse. So yeah, you guys, it feels great. It feels so freaking soft. I freaking love this, you guys. I just feel like I need to add just a little bit of more lip liner on this side. There we go. So yeah guys, so soft, so great. Not too sticky, because some lipsticks are so sticky, like it would like literally like start peeling off, but this is like literally perfect. It looks so fucking good, I'm not going to lie to you. So this is how it looks like just with the lip liner and the Velvet Mousse. All right, so now on top we're going to apply the Stay Glossy. This, well actually it's actually named after Shyla too, so what the fuck. I don't even know if I was supposed to put this on top of that freaking thing. But that's okay, it don't matter. That's my fault, not the product. That's my fault. How you guys feel about that? Oh my god, this is perfect. You guys, I'm going out tonight and this is exactly what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna go in just with the velvet mousse, but the gloss is still perfect. I'm telling you guys, this shit is amazing. But the sucky part is it was only limited edition, so whenever it's sold out, it completely sold out. There's no more restock, there's no more of it coming back. Maybe in the future, because you know sometimes makeup brands do bring shit back. If it was really popular, they bring it back. So hopefully this comes back. If it's out, I don't know if it sold out. I really don't know. I think it did, I don't remember. But I am so happy that my boyfriend was able to get this for me, because shit, you guys, honestly, this is my new favorite lipstick and I kind of don't want to use it anymore because I don't want it to run out. How selfish am I? But anyways, yeah, you guys. So yeah, you guys, so yeah, this product was actually pretty good. My boyfriend was like, you need to make a video on this, you need to make a video on this, you need to. And I'm like, I will. Well, like I said on my last video, I was super tired lately because of work or whatever, but I am now trying to get back in the process of filming, and you know, and it's getting there. Okay, so yeah, you guys, so a lot of good things about this product. Only bad thing is that once it sells out, it sells out. It's not coming back no more. I think that's the only thing that sucks. But other than that, everything was beautiful, everything sets perfectly, and this gloss is killing it. I don't know, I'm debating now if I want to wear the gloss or just the velvet mousse, but this shit is good, man. I really do love it. It's amazing, you guys. So if you got your hands on this, well shit, and you haven't tried it, well shit, I think you need to. And especially with this holidays coming up, it will look good on any makeup look. Honestly, this is just tops it off. But yeah, you guys, so it's time to close out this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys love the review. I hope you guys love the makeup look. Actually, I probably will post this makeup look. If you want to see the makeup look that I look, you could go ahead and check it out on my Instagram. It will for sure be on my Instagram, so you should go ahead and check that out. And I also have something coming up soon. It's really not too special, but it will help me if you guys will use it, but I will be in the future. I just have to receive something, and once I receive it, I will make a video on it, and I need you guys, your guys' help to help me out. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.